Já viu rico namorar pobre?
And welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to start off a little vlog because unlike a lot of other YouTubers, I am still in school and I thought it would be really fun to start vlogging my finals and studying, getting ready process. So today is Thursday and it's my last day of classes. So Thursdays I only have one class, which is from 4:25 till 5:45, and that's geology. And then after today I'm done with all my classes because I don't have Friday classes. And then starting tomorrow I'm just gonna finish all of my homework and projects and like online quizzes so I can start studying for my two finals, which are next week. I have a coding final on Wednesday and then I have my geology final on Thursday, but both are going to be pretty hard, so I want to make sure that I start ahead of time. Freshman year is almost completed. I can't believe we are here already. I do get out a little later compared to everybody else, but I kind of like it because it's really fun when it's nice weather here. I'm gonna get started. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started with finals week. Okay, so I'm here with Emerson right now. We're having smoothie bowls. We're about to get hers, and then we're gonna go to a coffee shop and work on homework. What did you get? Yours doesn't look as good as mine.
Acai bowl.
Oh, you got the new acai bowl. That's interesting. I got my raspberry almond like normal. Okay, so now me and Emerson are at Kofania. We both just got almond milk lattes, and we're gonna start studying for finals. Yay! And we're gonna do a lot of homework for the rest of the day. So we just got another coffee. We finished my gerontology test, and then we're gonna work on our online final project and hopefully finish that today. So we're just gonna stay here until we get everything done, right? Yeah. This is my second coffee and it still hasn't done anything. I just got my little coffee. I'm waiting for some toast and we're doing more work. I just got my toast, so it's avocado toast, and they make it so nice here, and then there's like little nuts, and then I get 2 eggs on top, and then my iced latte. So, and I'm kind of under the weather, so my nose is really stuffy, so we can't get sick, right? No. Alright, hello everyone. Today is Thursday, May 16th. I just finished my last final, which was geology. I had it at 3 o'clock today, and then yesterday, which was Wednesday, I had my coding final. So I only had like 2 finals this week, but then I had 2 final projects and then an online final. Staying this weekend though because my older sister Claire is graduating, but I have to be out of the dorms by tomorrow, which is Friday, and I kind of ended late compared to most people. My roommate was done on Monday and she left Tuesday, so I've been alone for a little bit. Freshman year was crazy. I can't believe we made it to this point, and I'm literally so happy to be done with all the schoolwork. I'm definitely sad. Like, I've been saying goodbye to people all week, which is really sad. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know that my moving in video did pretty well, so I decided to do a moving out.
Sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You sit down, hey.
Shoved everything in the corner just so I could get the rug out of the way. Took everything off the walls. Okay, so I'm gonna go take this trash down to the dumpster and throw away the rug. We're gonna go take care of this situation. Okay, so here's the update. It's much later. I've gotten a lot more done. I got the rug out of here. I threw that away, and then I literally Cloroxed the entire floor everywhere. It is so much cleaner because I seriously could not go to bed with all that dust in the room. I have my overnight bag for the weekend. I have my tote, which is just filled with like chargers and computer stuff and just extra things that I'm gonna need this weekend. And then I have all my pictures that I took down, my backpack, which I filled. We don't know where we're gonna put the Brita. That little table, my side table, I put a lot of like my toaster and everything in there. This is all of my desk stuff. So I'll probably use like these things next year. Then I have my oil diffuser. I just put that in bins. Below that I have my sheets. And then here were just like little decorations. This is my laundry basket, tripod. This is my shoe thing, the hanging for my closets. I have the valances, and then I have towels, printer, lamp. This I literally didn't touch because it was under my bed. And then camera bag. And then this is empty, but these were my drawers that I also kept under my bed. And then I have some clothes for tomorrow. Everything is out of my drawers, as you can see. Like, nothing is in here. I'm gonna take my whole bed down tomorrow. And then I have these 2 puffs. Then I just laid out my pajamas for right now. I'm charging my camera battery because I'm gonna need that tomorrow. But I'm gonna take this down tomorrow because I still need it for tomorrow. Cleaned all of this. Nothing is in the refrigerator now. Clean that. Nothing is in the drawers. Boom. This is my toiletries for the weekend, makeup for the weekend, straightener, and then after I use this tomorrow, I'm just gonna throw it away because it's so disgusting. I just have my water, which I've been drinking, phone, AirPods, and then I'm about to go take a shower, so I just have my towel and my robe, which I'm about to use. And then here's some clothes that I literally just put trash bags over because I could not fit them in my duffels, so I figured that I'll just keep them in there. That I'm all gonna stick in my toiletries tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna throw away after tonight. Shoes for tomorrow, and then I have my 3 duffels, which are full to the brim with clothes. A little bit more trash that I'll throw away tomorrow, and then my vacuum, which I will also pack. Yeah, if you haven't seen my move-in vlog, I'll link it down below. It's like 12:15 at night right now. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna go to bed because today is over. And we packed up everything, and I'm feeling very good. Okay, bye Denison. This has been really fun. We're all moved out. We're about to take a picture to document this moment. Everything's out of here, but loved my freshman year dorm. Okay, so it's the day of graduation. I just wanted to quickly vlog and show you guys my outfit for what I'm wearing to graduation. So I'm wearing this wrap dress, which is from Nordstrom, these big fan earrings, which are from J. Crew, and then just these little pumps, and then my bracelet because Miami's red and white, so I wanted to dress festively, and we're gonna start off the day. We're here at graduation. We're waiting for everybody to come down. It looks so nice, and it's such a beautiful day. So we're up here. Say hi.
Restrooms are right here.
Say hi, Dad.
If she told you where she is.
At graduation, Mom, you look so cute. Look at your pretty. We are still going strong with graduation, and then after this, we have a little graduation party that Claire is having with her friends.
You sit up, yeah.